Welcome to Take a Leaper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to leave a Slack workplace. Now, to leave a Slack workplace and delete it, you have to be the admin of it. And after making sure you're that, just open up your Slack app or just open up the browser and just go to slack.com. And from here, you'll see all the workspaces listed here for you. Just open the one you want to delete. For example, I want to delete this one which says tech. So I'll just click on launch Slack beside it. Then just give it some time. It will launch Slack in the browser. Just click on this. Use Slack in your browser. Just wait for it to load, and after it loads, on the left hand side you'll see your username or user profile rather. Just click on it and click on profile. After that, you'll see on the right side your profile pop up. From here, just click on the three dot icon. From here, just click on view account setting, and it's gonna open in another window. And from here, just wait for it to load. Then just go a little bit down and you'll see deactivate your account. And just under that, you'll see delete the workplace. Just click on that. And after that, just give it some time and you'll find this delete workspace. And from here, you can just click on it and delete the workspace if you want. Just click on delete workspace. And after that, you have to make sure you check this. I understand that all of my workspaces messages and files will be deleted. If you agree, just check it. Then just put in your Slack password and click on yes, delete my workspace. And that is gonna delete your workspace and all the messages and files permanently. And basically that is it. And basically that is how to leave a workspace on Slack. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.